How drones are revolutionizing Everest climbing. Could it change the game forever? Imagine standing at the very top of the world, surrounded by endless white glaciers and jagged rocks, in almost complete silence. Suddenly, breaking the quiet, a ladder drops from above, delivered not by climbers, but by a drone. Yep, you heard that right. This high-tech marvel could soon transform the way we conquer Everest. Meet Milan Pandey, a drone pilot who's already making waves at Everest Base Camp, without tethering himself to crampons or ice axes. His drones are carrying tools like ladders, ropes, and oxygen cylinders right into the treacherous Kumbo icefall, located between Base Camp and Camp 1. What does that mean? Safer climbs, quicker aid, and possibly life-saving rescue operations for the brave Sherpa, icefall doctors, who've been navigating this icy labyrinth for decades, and losing their lives in the process. Sherpas, the legendary guides of Everest, have been charting this dangerous terrain for over 70 years. But the dangers only deepen with each expedition. Enter Pandey and his team at Airlift Technology, a local drone startup armed with cutting-edge mapping tech. Combining their drone skills with Sherpa's mountain wisdom could make climbs safer than ever, reducing the 6 to 7 hour trek between Camp 1 and Base Camp to just about 7 minutes. This innovation isn't just about speed, it's about saving lives. Mingma G. Sherpa, of Imagine Nepal, lost 3 close friends in an avalanche last year. They had to make countless risky trips to assess the mountain's conditions, something drones can now potentially streamline, or even eliminate. Inspired by similar uses in China, Mingma Ji thought, why not bring this tech to Everest? Airlift Nepal, led by CEO Raj Bikram, has been testing drones since April 2024, thanks to donations from China's DJI. Their first success? Hauling down around 1,100 pounds of trash from high-altitude camps, by making more than 40 flights with a drone that can carry about 66 pounds safely. Pandey's team plans to use these flying helpers before and during the climbing season, assisting Sherpas in setting routes, transporting gear, and delivering emergency supplies. But there are challenges. Each drone costs around $70,000, and operating them at such extreme altitudes isn't cheap. No electricity at base camp means they rely heavily on fuel for recharging, adding to costs. Yet, for drone enthusiasts like Bikram, who built his first DIY drone over a decade ago, this isn't just a job, it's a passion with real impact, especially after aiding Nepal's earthquake relief efforts. And what about the Sherpas themselves? Many are contemplating leaving mountain guiding for better-paying jobs abroad. Pandey hopes drones can make this demanding, perilous work safer and more sustainable, encouraging more young people to stay and carry on their amazing mountaineering tradition. Behind the scenes, 28-year-old Sherpa Dawa Janza has been a frontman on Everest for 8 years. His job involves being the first into the icefall, fixing trails amid unpredictable weather and dangerous ice formations. Drones now help identify paths and prepare equipment, reducing his risk and saving critical time in a race against nature's unpredictability. As climbers gear up for the 2025 season, many experts see drone technology as a natural evolution, much like satellite phones and advanced weather forecasts that have already improved safety standards. Caroline Ogle from New Zealand, who manages Everest expeditions, calls drones part of climbing's evolving landscape, especially in protecting Sherpas at high altitudes. In the end, this isn't about replacing tradition, but enhancing it. Drones are just another tool helping humanity meet one of its greatest challenges, climbing Earth's highest peak, more safely and possibly more sustainably. Everest's future might just depend on a little bit of technology reaching from the sky.